Saç Tava is one of the traditional specialty dishes of Turkish cuisine. It is known as a pre-wedding dish in some regions, and you can find it in most Turkish restaurants. It's a cubed meat stir-fried in special tava pans with onions, tomatoes, green peppers and some spices. Usually it is served with rice pilav, but I will show you a healthier version with Bulgur wheat pilav. Let's get started. I have 500 grams cubed beef. First I'm going to cook until it is soft before stir frying it. Make sure the cube slices are very small, about 2 centimeters I can say. And if you are using lamb meat, you don't have to pre-cook it. You can begin to stir fry and cook with the veggies. I just cook until it releases its juice and simmering until it is completely evaporated, and check if it is soft. You can add more hot water, just drizzle, not too much, because at the end of the cooking time we want the juice evaporate, and continue to cook until it is tender. I transferred my meat to another bowl, and in the same pan I'm gonna cook my bulgur pilav. I added about 4 tablespoons olive oil and 1 tablespoon heaped butter. While it's heating, I cut 1 medium-sized onion in small cubes, diced, and going to fry it. I have water on the back heating to boil, and I'm gonna use 2 types of bulgur wheat. This is Siyez bulguru, or translated as Einkorn Wheat. I bought this from Kastamonu, my hometown, last year. It is one of the oldest cultivated grains discovered in early civilizations in Anatolia, and it is more nutritious as it has a different gluten structure than actual wheat grain. We also have Siyez flour too for using in breads. I'm going to mix the Siyez with regular bulgur wheat, and bulgur is produced by cleaning, boiling and drying the wheat and grinding it in a range of different mills according to grain sizes. I washed 1 cup Siyez and 1 cup bulgur wheat and drained well, and going to stir for about 2 minutes with the oil and onion mixture, adding some salt. And after frying about 4 minutes, I'm adding 3.5 cups of water. For 1 cup Siyez or bulgur wheat, it usually soaks about 2 cups of water, but I'm gonna check and add more if needed. Okay, let's get back to the Saç Tava. Here is my tava pan. This is copper, but we have from other metals too on the market. I just heated some vegetable oil, about 5 tablespoons, and added the cooked cubed meat. I'm going to stir fry it on medium-high heat for about 3-4 minutes. And then add 1 medium-sized onion diced and continue to stir fry. Using the vegetables usually differs from region to region, but generally we do add onions, tomatoes and green peppers. I'm gonna let them cook a little bit first. And now I can add my veggies. I have thin sweet green peppers that I freeze from the summertime. It's really handy, you can use them year long, and they are really tasty since it is from the summertime. I just added about a handful of green peppers. It can yield to 3-4 peppers, I can say. If you can't find, you can use other peppers around you have on the market. And since it's not the season, I'm gonna use tomato puree from can, but you can also use about 3 ripened tomatoes, peeled and cut it in cubes, small cubes, or you can grate them. And while it is cooking, I'm gonna check my bulgur pilav. It still needs time to soak the water. And the tomato sauce, the tomato puree already mixed up well with the tawa, Sac Tawa. And for the seasonings, I'm only going to add some red pepper flakes, pul biber. You can use either hot or sweet. Some salt and oregano. Some people like to add cumin. You can consider, it would be delicious too. And I just added some meat stock that left on my bowl. You can add hot water or other meat stocks you have, and simmer a bit more for about 5 minutes, and it's ready. It's really a tasty, flavorful, a comforting dish enjoyed by probably 99% of the Turkish people. So I hope you give it a try and like it. Here is my Siyez and Bulgur wheat pilav. Let me mention again that traditionally we use regular white pilav with it, and enjoy. You can serve shepherd salad or a yogurt dip cacık with it, but this time we wanted to make a seasoned salad simply with grated carrots and lettuce. So thanks for watching. I really appreciate for your support by liking, commenting and sharing my videos. I have many other recipes you can check from my channel. I hope to see you in another delicious Turkish food recipes and travel vlogs. Afiyet olsun.